Hey guys, welcome to this segment of the video, and for today's sponsored segment we are showing you a girl's dress along with her doll as well from ValDream. They sent us over this package right here. ValDream does sell on Amazon. We're going to put all of those links down in that description. Make sure you click that link in that description if you have a girl that loves dolls and like to play dress up. You definitely need to click this link. So with that being said, we're going to let you see what TT, what's your baby name, TT?
Brittany.
We're going to let you see what TT and Brittany look like in this ValDream dress. Make sure you guys click that link in the description. As you can see, TT and Brittany is looking fine. And they're loving their dinosaur dress. We'll see you guys in that description box. Let TT know how you think about this dinosaur dress for her and Miss Brittany. Alright you guys, let's continue with the video.
I love her outfit. I love mine too. And I wanted to do this video with my auntie and spend the night with her. Bye guys.